Then students, how are you all? I hope that you have completed your exams very nicely. So again, we are back with our subject English, right? So welcome to Saraswati System Bhagwala Bosat. Today we are going to learn something new, not from the chapter, not for the stories, poem, nothing. Today we are going to learn something new. As you can see here, the topic that is reading comprehension. Reading comprehension. Now the question is that what is comprehension? Okay. As you can see here, the passage is given, and here the questions have been given. So the question is, what is comprehension? What we have to do? So before we begin, let's understand the topic reading comprehension. Comprehend means to understand or to grasp how much you understand whatever you are reading. Okay, when you read in the exams, during the exams, it is not important you have to just read. The important thing is that how much do you understand from the passage or from the reading material. So comprehension means to understand or to grasp from the reading material. Okay. So here the passage is given. Now very nice. That is from our chapter Helen Keller. And here the questions have been given from the paragraph. We will not get it. Some of the questions will not get it from your exercise, right? So we need to answer by reading this paragraph passage with carefulness, right? With carefully. So let's begin. Read the passage and answer the following questions. So the rule is that for this kind of exercise, of this kind of question, read the passage very carefully, then try to understand. Okay, now few points we have to remember how to answer these questions from the passage. So first of all, we have to understand the passage. Read the passage very carefully. Try to understand what is there in the passage, right? What is the main character or what is mentioned in this passage, the main points. Then read the questions. After that, relate this question to this passage and then try to answer from in your own words by finding the answers from this passage. Okay, so these points are to be remembered. So let's start our first passage. It was summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen Keller. One day the baby became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high. Okay, everyone in the family tried to help her and get better. But what happened? All they could say was, there is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live. Right? Now, what we have to understand? Okay, just separate the main points, or you can underline the main points. Okay, so it was summer of 1880. Now this can be the main point. Summer can be the main point. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Now here the name is given, so it can be the main point. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen Keller. Okay, Helen Keller. That is an important point. One day the baby became ill. One day the baby became ill, and day after day her fever stayed high. So this can be an important point. Became ill can be an important there is nothing more we can do, the baby may not leave. Okay, so this is the main point, this can be the main point, right? So after understanding, it was all about Helen Keller. So we have just underlined the main points. Now let's move to our question. When, W-H-E-N, when was Helen born? Okay, now we have already underlined. What is that? 1880. So the answer must be in its proper form. Okay, Helen was born in 1880. Helen was born in 1880. Alright. Second, where? The question is where, means place. Okay, which place is mentioned? So baby girl was born in a small town. Okay, small town, that means place. But here the name is given, Alabama. Right? So Helen was born in Alabama. Helen was born in Alabama. Okay, now next. Which season is mentioned in this passage? Here the question is all about season. Okay, now where is it mentioned? It was summer of 1880. Okay, in the very first line it is mentioned summer. Alright, so summer we will write in this way. Summer is mentioned, or summer season is mentioned in this passage. Summer season is mentioned in this passage. Simple. What is the full name of the baby girl? Okay, here it is not given the full name in this. Okay, we have to find. Her parents loved her dearly and named her. Important keyword. Named her. What is that? Helen Keller. So the full name of the baby girl is. The full name of the baby girl is Helen Keller. Helen Keller. Alright. Now, number 5. What happened one day? Okay, what you have to remember that it must be in your passage. Okay, became Helen Keller. One day, okay, it is in the beginning. One day. Okay, one day the baby girl became ill. So the answer is, what happened one day? One day the baby became ill. One day the baby became ill. Simple. Number 6. What did the family members say about Helen? What did the family members say about Helen Keller? Okay, so what is that? By all they would say. Now here the keyword say, right? So we have already found the keyword. Now what they say, there is nothing more we can do. The baby may not leave, right? The family members said that. The family members said, S-A-I-D, said that there was nothing more. We now pass on. We have to understand the tense of the question. Here did is given, so every verb will be in past tense. So there was nothing more we could do. The baby might not leave. There was nothing more we could do. The baby might not leave. Full stop. Okay. So I have shown you the way we can find the answers from the passage. Okay. Find out the keywords from the question. Then it will be very easy for you to write the answers, right? So what do we have to remember? If the question, such question So first of all, we have to read the passage very carefully. Second, try to understand the passage. Okay. Third, read the questions. Fourth, then try to find the answers in your own words from the passage. Circle or underline the keywords. Okay, the words which are used in the question. Find out the same words in your passage. Then it will be easy for you to find the answer. Okay, students. So that was all about the reading comprehension. Now I want you to look at the passage. How did I do? How did I find the keywords? Okay, so this is the passage. You can pause it, read it, read the questions. Okay, now here, see, again I am telling you, when was Helen born? When? That means you must understand we are talking about the place. Sir, we are talking about the time. Okay, when, W-H-E-N, when means time. Then born. Okay, it was about born. Who's born? Helen Keller is born. So it was summer for 1880. A healthy baby girl was born. See here. Okay. So the keywords are very important. That's why you must understand the paragraph. Okay. Read very carefully. If one time you are not understanding, you don't understand for the very first time, go for the second time. If you don't understand still, for the second time, go for the third time. But until you understand the passage, don't even look at the questions. Okay? First, you must have an idea that what was it all about. Okay? Now here it was all about Helen Keller. So the story is, around Helen Keller, and questions are being asked related to Helen Keller. Where was Helen born? Now, where means you must understand the idea. Where means place, right? So, in Alabama, small town. Okay, we can write the small town. Helen was born in small town, but that is not the answer. Why? Because when you read further, the particular place name is given. The name of the place is given, that is Alabama. So if you will write answer small town, so it can be wrong. Okay, because proper name is given Alabama. Helen was born in Alabama. Which season? Okay, it was summer. So you understand automatically. Okay, the season is mentioned, which is that the summer season. What is the full name of the baby girl? Okay, here up to here it was about baby girl, but here as you can see here the word name is given. So Helen Keller. Okay, proper name is given Helen Keller. What happened one day? Okay, after day after day. Okay, before that we came one day. Okay, now one day is there, so that means you have to stop. Okay, one day is given. Then now that means the answer is very near. So read further. The baby became ill and we succeeded to get the answer. What did the family members say? Okay, everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but all they could say. Okay, then there is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live. Okay, that is the line, sentence in our passage. But here look, it is in past tense. So whenever you find the verbs, okay, it must be in past. There is, now it becomes was. Nothing more we can becomes could do. The baby may, past tense of may is might, not live, right? So that is the way to find the answers from the passage, and that is called comprehension. Means understanding, right? How much do you understand from the passage? So that what happened? You will read, so you will get the reading practice. Understand, so that means your English will be polished. As much as you read, your English will be polished, and you will speak right and read correctly, right? So that was all about reading comprehension. In our next video, we will do one more passage that is comprehension, right? We will do one more with another paragraph. Till then.